Hey guys, welcome to a tour of my hotel room. Today I'm staying at the Emerald House in Lisbon. And well, let's just get started. Look at the size of this peephole. You could really see right through it. That's awesome. As soon as you walk in, you have these control switches. I'm gonna turn on the Do Not Disturb for now. And yeah, very fancy. So this hotel is very new. I don't know when it was constructed, but it looks fairly new. Right here at the entrance. Hello, you see me. Yeah, I just got in, as you can tell, with my suitcases here. But I wanted to show you this place because it's a new hotel and it has that boutique feel, and it's really well decorated in my opinion. I like the design so far. Over here you have the bathroom area, so like, you know, right over here. Look at this product. Even the product is really nice. Let's see, makeup mirror, large mirror, and over here, this is the shower. So it has the rainfall shower head, which you know I love, and here's more of that product called Damana. Looks good. I'm looking forward to trying it. And then over here you have the toilet room. And then here and here, oops, these are closets. So let me show you this one. I just put my backpack here. There's a safe. I've got a few things in there. And here are some shelves. I believe this is a steamer. Huh. Okay, if that's the steamer, then where's the... Ah, okay. So the hairdryer is over here. Let's have extra towels over here. And then this closet is... I don't know if I'm going to take that out because it seems like space might be a little tight here, but we'll see. So the rest of the room looks like, oh, here's another mirror, of course, which is great. This is the room that I have. It's small, but it's fine. You know, like it looks very comfortable and cozy. Like I said, this is a boutique hotel. But I want to show you just the decor of it all. I just think is very cool. You know, you have that old-fashioned phone over there. You have all of the outlets that you need and control systems. And look at this. Look at this. It looks like a luggage turned into a piece of furniture, right? Now, if you want something a little bit more modern, there is a tablet here. This is my little desk, but there is this tablet here. I had it going before. Let's see if I can get it to go now. There we go. So yeah, welcome. Yeah, all the information you need about the hotel is here. And this is the desk area. You have more outlets here. This cute little lamp. And over here, look at this. It's like a shadow box. It's very cool. Here's your coffee station, and I think this is water. I'm pretty sure this is water. You have another trunk-looking cabinet here. Oops. With some glassware, and then you also have a fridge. Yeah, it's definitely water. Okay, that's your complimentary water. Hot and, well, not hot, but like room temperature. And then refrigerated water. And then behind this curtain, I'm gonna do my best to get through to it. I have this little area where if I wanted to, I could look out the window. Let me see if I can, because you know how successful I've been with opening windows. Oh. Okay, that's as far as I can open it, which is fine. But Yeah, I have a little quiet street here. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like all the way down there and it's like sloping upwards. I wish I could see more, but I know this is for your safety. So, okay, Ellen, let me close that. All right, so this is it, really. Like, this is the room. This is everything that you need to know about the room. Let's take a look at the rest of the hotel.